This is my brand new LG sound system, model number SLM4R. Basically come with the main sound bar, a left, a right, a bass, and a link setup for the total system. Turn it on now. Turn on. It's also supported by the LG app to basically continue the setup. Simple setup, black and white wires through the back, and everything connect through the link system. The link system is plugged in through the outlet, so is the deep bass is plugged in. Alright, now let's sound up.
Straightens your teeth. Wear them as directed, and you'll get a smile.
Deep, loud sound. Very engaging. This video. A lot of depth, a lot of clarity, and definitely enjoying it so far. Can't wait for it to do a movie night with the family, and it really kind of pushes to its limit, and definitely enjoy it with the rest of the family as far as the sound and engaging.